For my first DIY, I'm using this container. This is a plastic container in a beautiful basket or barrel shape. It has got a handle that can be detached and a lid. So it basically had some goodies in it, and I saved it so that I can use it in my decor during fall. Now it has this bow attached to it, and I think I can remove it. The red color will not go with my theme. So first step, I'm going to remove this little red bow out, maybe use it later. So I have, now you can appreciate the handle and the beautiful shape of the barrel. Now I found this ribbon last fall, and I saved it for some craft work. So I'm going to place it because it looks very drab in the center. So first thing, I'm going to wrap it around and glue it at the back, just the right amount that I need. So next thing, I have this cutouts. So I have one pumpkin cutout, and I'm using a double-sided tape. You can use glue if you feel like, and I'm just going to glue it over this. Now here, some fabric, pale green roses again. I think this looks nice this way. It looks a little empty here, so I have another little ribbon which I just tied in form of a little bow, and I think I'm going to glue it here. Quick and easy update. I can fill it up with goodies inside this, and it's a functional decor at home. For my second DIY, I got some lids and a container. This is the largest in size. Then this lid is, as you know, they are of 3 different sizes. And 3 different colors: white, orange, and yellow. Very much in the colors of the fall. So they are at different heights and different sizes, and that's what make them a collection. Then I have some fabric roses and flowers and a paper one. And these are some straws or raffia you can take, and I just bunched a few together and just added some rubber bands to make little bundles. And using some tape, I'm just going to glue them on top and make them look like pumpkins. So first thing, I'm just adding the flower, and then I'm just tucking behind the hay or the raffia, and this would be the stalk of my pumpkin. Because I'm using a little bigger one, so I need to add more than 2 items here. So the top is almost covered and looks dressed up, and they make a pretty collection together. Now for my third DIY, I'm using this block of wood with fall sign on it. I made this last year. I'll try to link that video, find that video and link it in my description box and maybe on the card above. So what I did was I took this piece of wood, or you can make it out of cardboard as well. I think you get this hard house shaped wooden blocks in Dollar Tree. So basically what I did, I took a dark stained block of wood and wrote the word fall on it. Then I made a cutout of a stack of pumpkins and I stuck it there. So basically I was going with neutral colors and a contrast, a dark wood. So that was my theme that time. But I don't like the stack of pumpkins anymore. So I thought of camouflaging it with a sunflower. So first thing, I'm going to glue the sunflower in place. I try to cover as much of the pumpkin as possible, and then I'm going to, these are some paper leaf cutouts, so I'm going to glue them here, making sure that the angles are still visible so that the house shape is still maintained. Now because I added leaves here to balance, I'm going to add some leaves on this side, making sure that the birds are not hidden but there's a little balance. And I have a quick sunflower fall sign ready. Now this is my fourth DIY, and I think this is the quickest one. I made this beautiful nature inspired butterfly sign sometime back. I'll link it down in my description box again. So what I did is I painted the sides of this frame or canvas, and then I glued a textured fabric on top of it. And to give it more good look, so I just used some thumbtack pins on 4 sides, and then I stuck this, you can use a sticker or you can use a cutout, printed cutout or painted. I used a butterfly at that time. So I'm going to update it. Sometime back I had found this beautiful printable of pumpkins in neutral colors and fall colors on internet, and I had printed it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out such that I can accommodate the whole print inside, and then we'll glue it. Now if you're wondering why did I place it slightly at an angle, because if you see the print is such that it will not accommodate it here, so part of pumpkin gets cut here and part of the berries get cut here. So I'm placing it at an angle such that the whole print gets centered. So now I'm going to mark with little yellow margin. And if you're wondering why my pencil is sharpened on both the ends, this end I just broke it. It is a double-sided pencil with color. Both sides have 2 different colors, so it's sharpened on both ends. So I'm just going to cut this out. I'll not cut these outpouching designs. So now you see why I did this. I can trim it a little further so that I can still have a little bit of green edge also. So I'm going to trim it a little more deep inside. It's always better to cut less and then go ahead and cut a little more as per requirement than cut more right in the beginning and then repent later, because you cannot go back on the cut items. So it's always better to cut less in the beginning, check, recheck, and then go ahead. So a little bit of green is peeping through. I think it will look nice. So I'm going to cut further. So now it's all trimmed. So you can see a little bit of green fabric peeping on the edges, so that will define it further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these thumbtacks. They come out easily. Position my print and then add the thumbtacks back again. I don't want to add a thumbtack on the pumpkins, so shall I leave it? Okay, I leave it. I don't want to add the thumbtack on the pumpkin. I don't think it will look nice. So I'm just leaving this third thumbtack because it will anyway stand this way. So here I have displayed all my today's DIYs. So here is the last DIY that I did. It's a simple sign, but the neutral colors and the fall colors have come together very nice. The little green border is also looking very pretty. Here is my collection of pumpkins made out of lids, plastic lids, and I think they are cute and little rustic in look. The fall sign, though the fall is looking a little from behind, but I think the sunflower is looking pretty beautiful on this side. And I really like this bucket container, and it will be great to keep goodies in this. I just added a few more sunflowers, and I think it's a pretty festive and happy looking display here. A lovely, cute, easy DIYs to decorate any space or tiered tray fall decor, and I think it's something that everybody can do. So if you liked my today's DIYs, my today's decor, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and do press that all notifications bell next to the subscribe button after you have subscribed, so that you are updated with all my coming videos. Thank you so much everybody for your time and support, and I'll see you soon. Stay positive, be creative, and be happy. Thank you so much.